First John
First John
chapter 3
chapter 3
22 to
22 to
chapter 4
chapter 4
6
6
and whatever
and whatever
we ask
we ask
we receive from him
we receive from him
because
because
we keep his
we
commandments
keep his commandments
and do what
and
pleases
do
him,
what pleases him,
and this is
and
his
this is his
commandment,
commandment,
that we believe in the
that we
name
believe in the name
of his son
of his son
Jesus Christ,
Jesus Christ,
and love one
and
another
love one another
just as
just as
he has commanded us.
he has commanded us.
Whoever keeps his commandments
Whoever keeps his commandments
abides in God,
abides in God,
and God in him,
and God in him,
and by this
and by this
we know that
we know that
he abides in us
he abides in us
by the Spirit
by the Spirit
whom he has given us.
whom he has given us.
Chapter 4.
Chapter 4.
Beloved,
Beloved,
do not believe
do not
every
believe
spirit,
every spirit,
but test the spirits
but trust the Spirit
to see
to see
whether
whether
they are from God,
they are from God
or for many false prophets.
or many
For
false
many false prophets
prophets
have gone out
have gone out
into the world.
into the world.
By this
By this
you know the Spirit
you
of
know
God.
the Spirit of God.
Every spirit
Every spirit
that confesses
that confesses
that Jesus Christ has
Jesus Christ
come in the flesh
come in the flesh
is from God,
is from God.
and every
And
spirit
every spirit
that does not
that
confess
does not confess
Jesus is
Jesus is
not from God.
not from God.
This is the
This
spirit
is the spirit
of the
of the
Antichrist, which you heard was
which you heard was
coming
coming
and now
and now
is in the world
is in the world
already.
already.
Little children,
Little children,
you are from God
you are from God
and have overcome them.
and has overcome them.
For he
For he
who is in you
who is in you
is greater than
is greater than
he who is in the world.
who he is in the world.
They are from the world.
They are from the world.
Therefore,
Therefore,
they speak from the world,
they speak from the world.
and the world listens to them.
And the world listens to them.
We are from God.
We are from God.
Whoever knows God,
Whoever knows God,
God listens to us.
God listens to us.
Whoever is not from God
Whoever is not from God
does not listen to us.
does not listen to us.
By this,
By this,
we know the spirit of
we
truth
know the spirit of truth
and the spirit of error.
and the spirit of error.